Good afternoon. My name is Raman. I am from ICM Gwalior.
Hello everyone, this is me Himani Nilsang Jaiswal from IHM Gwalior. Today we have prepared the Gujarati cuisine, which is the most famous and a styling cuisine of our India. You may have a look over here. This is a salad which is finely cutted over here. Let's move to sarki, which is a kind of soup.
Gujarati soup.
Gujarati soup.
Taste.
Mai, would you like to tell the review about it?
It is a good taste between pulses and a curd, which we have mixed with green onions and green chili, coriander, and some salt and cumin powder. It is good.
Let's move to the another one, which is Gujarati dal. I would like Niyati to tell something about the Gujarati dal.
First is Gujarati dal is a Gujarati cuisine. It is a food for dal, and we had tomato, green chili, and ginger, and coriander with coconut. Is a tender taste of dal and imli pulp and jaggery with a sweet and sour taste. As you can see, is a coriander center of and coconut is created. Thanks.
I would like to taste the Gujarati dal as I like the Gujarati cuisine the most. That's too yummy. Let's move to the next one, the brown rice. I would like Anshul to explain a little more about brown rice.
Okay. Namaste viewers. So this is brown rice. It has got its color from caramelized sugar. We have prepared this by the method of observation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Let's move to the next one. This is Salli Murg.
Yes.
I would like Jatin to please explain it. How it's the preparation done.
This is a salli murg and this is a salli and this is a murg. Okay? And we are making a salli murg.
Please tell the preparation, Jatin.
First we have to cut onion and tomato, and we are making a ginger garlic paste, and then we are making salli murg. This
Okay. Looks so pretty, so cute, and the texture is wowly done. Let's move to the next one. This is a meaty thepla, the specialty of Gujaratis. I would like Diksha to explain the process.
Okay, so for making this, these are theplas. So in this, we take three types of different flour. First is like whole wheat flour, second is bajre ka atta, and third is besan. Like 1 kg of wheat flour, then half kg of besan and half kg of bajre ka atta. Then we have to mix in that flour finely chopped methi in it, and then some masalas like salt, red chilies, cumin seeds. I have roasted cumin seeds and then I have added in this. Yes, that's all.
I would like to Aman have a taste of it.
Sure, camera.
Thank you, Diksha. This is really amazing. Very soft, outer layer is crispy and well cooked. Or salt and all type of ingredient all well.
Let's move to the next, the best one, which is known as Shrikhanda. I would like Ishita to introduce more about Shrikhanda.
So Shrikhand is also given on auspicious occasions in Gujarat and some parts of Maharashtra. It is basically hunker that is mixed with powdered sugar, elaichi powder, and some of the dry fruits. We have taken the Shrikhand and we have garnished it with chopped pistachios, chironji, and some saffron. So as you can see, the texture of Shrikhand is really very nice. It has no lumps. It is very smooth. I would like to give a little portion to my batchmates who can taste and give reviews about it. Please pass your comment.
Just a one word can come, that's too young.
You can see we have placed all the dry fruits very artistically, and we have presented it in a clay pot, and that's why it is giving that earthy flavor into Shrikhand. That's what makes it like different from other types of curd dishes.
I would like Bumpkin sir to continue with it. Okay.
So friends, today's episode was again great, and today we have made another version of Gujarati menu. This menu is very famous in every part and corner of Gujarat. You have seen a number of items which have been made by our students. They have got many similarities also with other dishes, like say thepla, methi thepla, rotla, rotli, bhakri, bhakra. These are the various versions of Gujarati bread. If you go to other states, you will also see various breads which are made in the similar manner. I will give you one example, like Shrikhand, which you have seen right now, that will give you a lot of resemblance with Mishti Doi, which is a sweet dish from the state of Bengal, and it's very common in some part of the area which is attached to Bengal in Bihar side, Jharkhand side, and Assam side, and in Odisha side. So friends, never confuse with the dishes. If you consume the dishes, you will be able to learn what are the actual difference in the tastes. So in order to learn the differences, in order to learn the process of making, method of making, you will have